Okay. Liquidation Pallets. Hope Liquidation Pallets. The home of the whole thing. So y'all, this one, pallet full of microwaves. So y'all looking for pallets. You're like, what do you want to sell? You want to sell microwaves? We got you right here. We got you. And what we finna do? Want to check out the retail. Let's check out the retail of one of these. That one ain't ringing up. Let's see. That means it might not even come from Home Depot. Let's see. Nope, we gotta find a whole nother app for this one. So let's go to the scanner. Or I could have went to Amazon too. We're going to get out of that. Scan barcode. Trying to do me a trial. I ain't trying. I'm just trying to see the thing. Come on, don't do me like that. Trying to embarrass me while I'm right here. There you go. So let's see. We'll go to Amazon. They don't even come up on Amazon. Let's go. Let's see what we're finna do. Let's go to so many different apps. So let's go. See what we're finna go to. Amazon. Let's see, can we scan one, 248. Had to find the right app. So 248 at Amazon. Another 248. Let's go to a different one. Let's see what this is. That's the bar. Let's do the barcode. I did the serial number. You gotta do the barcode.
See the price on there?
I don't see this one. I saw this one. I think this one 240 something.
Scan it there.
Yeah, scan that one.
Well, scan that one over. They the same. I mean, it's like $4.99. I looked at it earlier.
What store you saw it at?
Huh?
What store you saw it at?
It just came up. It didn't come up in no store.
Which app you using?
I think it was in my queue. So it came
$4.99.
up on Amazon.
Wow. That's $4.99. How many of these? 1, 2, 3. God. This $2,000 right there. That's $2,000 right there with them 4 boxes.
Yeah.
God. And that's one pallet.